Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aliffa Anindita, and today I would like to review a journal about English for specific purpose in multimedia. The title is The Impact of Using Multimedia in English High School Classes on Student Language Achievement and Goal Orientation by Ghanizadeh Afsaneh and Razafi Azam on 2015. First, let's talk about the introduction. According to educational policy of Iran, that communicative language teaching is used for teaching English in high school. There are many types of teaching English, but in Iran, the teachers still using a traditional teaching mode that only through textbook, reference book, and notes after class. So it will make a student easily lose information, and the result will become the failure of English teaching in Iran. The multimedia for teaching English is the answer for the problem because it combines text, image, audio, and video together. So it makes teaching colorful and interesting so it can attract the attention and also stimulate student interest. The research question is, does using multimedia impact on EFL learners' achievement and goal orientation? The literature review Mayer on 2001 that learners are able to create deeper understanding when they establish connection between words and pictures. So using multimedia in EFL class make communication and learning more effective. Next, Lin and Chen on 2007 said multimedia plays a fundamental role in teaching English. And then Siddiqui on 2007 argued that multimedia is beneficial for EFL learner, so it influenced the way that students learn. Now let's talk about the methodology. The participant in this research is around 58 students in 8th grade in Navid High School in Mashhad, Khorasan Razavi in Iran. There are two groups. First is 29 in experimental group is this group using a multimedia, and 29 in the control group use traditional methods. The analysis is used independently test, and there are three steps in this research. First, pre-test, treatment, and post-test. The pre-test is for checking the student English achievement and goal orientation at the beginning in both groups. And the treatment is using multimedia to improve English knowledge of students, but only in the experimental group. And for the post-test is checking out the student English achievement and goal orientation at the end of the experiment in both groups. The instrument used for achievement tests in pre-test and post-test according to function of prospect 2 on textbook of 8th grade. For the achievement goal orientation was utilized questionnaire called Achievement Goal Orientation Inventory or AGOI designed by Midgley et al. And in 1998. The finding and discussion show that achievement level on pre-test in control group have mean 10.8 and experimental group mean is 10.6. The mean difference of both group is 0.2. The t-test results show p-value higher than 0.05. So it statistically show that there is no significant difference of achievement level between both groups. After giving the treatment, they have post-test for achievement level. The result shows control group mean is 14.1 and the experimental group mean is 16.4 and the mean difference of both group is 2.4. The t-test results show p-value lower than 0.05 and statistically show that there is a significant difference of achievement level in both groups. Next, finding for goal orientation, it should mean in mastery on control group is 21.8, experimental 29.7, and the mean difference is 7.8. On the performance, control group mean is 24.5, experimental group 29.9, the mean difference is 5.4. On the avoidance, control group mean is 26.7, experimental group 30.4, and the mean difference is 3.6. The result of t-test show the p-value is lower than 0.05 for all of them, that statistically have significant difference between control group and experimental group on goal orientation. The conclusion is the impact of multimedia elements has a positive and significant influence on learners' achievement and goal orientation, including mastery, performance, and avoidance. The experimental group in achievement test gained higher score than control group in post-test. So it showed that experimental group after treatment having using multimedia is have a higher level of mastery goal, which was related to effective learning and achievement in EFL classes. So that's it. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.